Hi, my name's Giles Pitman, and today we're in the Forest of Dean in our search for ants, specifically the wood ants. In the UK, there are 6 species of wood ant, and today we're looking for the southern wood ant. Ants can be quite difficult to find, but with these, there's a big identifier that we're going to look for in order to find them quickly. Their nests. We're in the right location as these ants prefer coniferous forests. I'm keeping my eyes peeled on the sides of the path to try and find a large dome-shaped feature. Whoa! Oh my goodness, this is massive! Absolutely incredible. That is just beautiful. This is huge. This nest made out of pine needles and small twigs has got to be almost a metre in height, and I can just see thousands of wood ants. We've been here less than 10 seconds and we've already got an incredible interaction here. Ants are insectivores, which means they eat other insects, small invertebrates, as well as honeydew. But right here, we've got a caterpillar and a beetle. But here they're dragging these small invertebrates to their nest. These are worker ants. Their role is to repair the nest, forage for food, and also look after the young. In fact, if you look here, they're carrying small white capsules. These are eggs. They also defend the nest from any potential threats. As well as strong biting incisors, they can also spray formic acid at any threats from afar. So I can see that this nest is made out of pine needles, small twigs, and decaying matter, like deadwood, all creating this perfectly engineered, waterproof nest. And although it's not in the sun at the moment, once it comes round, because this nest is south-facing, the sun will heat up this nest, acting like a solar panel. It's October. In around a month's time, this hive of activity will come to a halt and the whole colony will hibernate until spring. Right now, these ants are playing a vital role in the ecosystem. They encourage tree growth by preying on herbivorous insects which cause damage to the leaves. They also help distribute the seeds of plants, which increases biodiversity for flora and fauna in this environment. Amazingly, ants are used by a range of bird species to remove parasites, a behaviour known as anting. The bird aggravates the surface of the nest, which in response, the worker ants spray formic acid onto its feathers, killing the parasites. Ants provide a great food source for badgers and also the green woodpecker, which specialises in feeding on wood ants. Finally, research has shown that their actions improve soil condition, recycling, and decomposition rates. Unfortunately, wood ants in the UK are declining. Though the wood ant is not legally protected, the southern wood ant is listed as near threatened on the global IUCN Red List of threatened species. This is mainly due to lack of woodland management, deforestation, human disturbance, and a lack of suitable habitat for our woodland ants. To encourage ants into your woodland area, ensure there's enough direct sunlight hitting the woodland floor and there's not too much overgrown vegetation. For more information, check out the description below. If you found a nest, you can use the iNaturalist app to record your sighting. By recording and sharing your observations, you'll create quality data for scientists working to better understand and protect nature. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.